Kakabit po kami ng grounding system dito sa free pub na to. Lalagyan ko ng grounding system. Can you hit? Napupukpok ko po para bumang. Sige, just hit more. More. Hit. Okay, go. Okay. Little bit more. Okay, just put salt first. Salt. Lalagyan po namin ng salt combination ng charcoal. Ito po ikakabit ko po mamaya dito sa body ng prefab. Just put salt. Lalagyan ko po ng salt para po sa low resistance. Okay, charcoal. More charcoal. Combination po ng charcoal at salt. Add more salt, yes. Para po ma-maintain yung low resistance ng electrical fault currents, kaya po nilalagyan ng charcoal at saka salt. Combination po yan para po ma-maintain yung low resistance, yung low current. Put again some charcoal. Then we will put some water. Okay, after finish charcoal, we put some water, then we will cover the soil when we are done here. Sasako pong uling nilalagay namin. Dito yata po yung sasa. Okay. Put all. Para po mag-mix yung So, that's okay, enough. Yan po, okay na.